gosh, look at all the charms here. So cool. Look at all these pouch bags. So cute. 69 Chiikawa. Lately there's been a trend. A lot of people have been collecting Chiikawas. This is a mirror. Little Pony scented fan. Cute. This is 70 for, I think this is just a model. Tamagotchi! Oh, I also have another Tamagotchi here. Korean ones. Russian chocolate. Hair chocolate. Ordering from the QR code. Wait now. He's making. Range of Blindboxes. Ooh, crown. Ooh, these 3D stickers are on another level. Oh, Princess Violet as a mermaid. Little Pony again. Why is it such an obsession? What's wrong? This is huge. This is, I think, just this one here. There's a secret as well. How much is it? This is super cute. This is like a candy. Kuromi spinning. Oh, so cute. A cute Harry Potter version. This is these are Korean brands. Like Chinese brands. So cool. For members is $129. And look at all this. Blush. It's pretty. I don't think I can use like blue, but the color's so pretty. The packaging's so pretty. I don't like the color. Really strong pink. That's a really strong pink. I want to know why is there Why is there a trend for My Little Pony in China? I don't get it. Labubu, Labubu. Oh, look at all this. Oh my gosh, look at the crybaby. This is crying again. This is card holder. It's kind of cute. Sold out. Just for viewing. Sold out. Powerpuff Girls. Summer right now, so it's really popular to do like a peachy watermelon. It's called waxberry. I don't think it's waxberry, but the translation is called waxberry. Ooh, they even have like a lychee and peach one. This looks interesting. We always order this. But for me, I like to do the 1 liter juice and just slowly drink it. They have many different options, like a peach one. Oh, this is a bitter melon and green apple. about this? Just eraser but in different format.